Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this essential oil diffuser with Himalayan stones that this brand sent to me for the video, which is also a really nice gift box set because it comes with this one. This version comes with 12 of these essential oils, which I have to say some of them are so nice. Like the lemon one, for example, it's a super nice one, like citrus, lemon, things like that. I do really like. But this one is also a really nice gift because it comes with this bag and a perfect kind of like packaging as well. And this is gonna be the unit, which I'm gonna show you in a close-up and working in a few seconds. And then once you put all these Himalayan stones over here, you're gonna kind of like put this. It's gonna be kind of like a drawer that you're gonna put kind of like underneath this thing over here, and with a really nice and cozy vibe. And I'm just gonna stop talking and show you how it works. So you're just gonna add some water to this point over here. It says max line, that you're gonna find your desired oil scent or something like that. I have the orange one in this case, and trust me, these are super concentrated. So just drop. Oh, that was actually way too much. So just drop about, I want to say like 3, 4, 5, no more drops, and that's gonna be it. So, and then you do this right here, and then we're gonna connect it to the USB-C cable on the back. And once you're done, you have the buttons over here. So we're gonna turn it on, and you can see how nice this one is. It is so beautiful with the Himalayan stones over there. And you can actually, if you want, you can change the colors. You can dim it, or you can change the color, which I think it is a really nice thing to also have, and just make it to be your own color, your own setup. And just if you wanna match it up with your gaming setup or something like that, you can do it as well. I do like this one. It looks really nice. I think that this thing, but how nice it works and how easy it is, and all the scents over there, all the oils, this is a must-have for your setup, and also some really nice relaxation.